Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or enable NumLock at Windows 11 startup. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey users, click and expand .default, click and expand control panel. Click keyboard, open initial keyboard indicators. Change value data 2 for enable, 0 for disable. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.